First off, thanks for tuning in, and a huge thank you to all my subscribers. I can't begin to tell you how much I appreciate everyone who has tuned in, watched, and commented on my videos. I've found your feedback useful, relevant, and supportive, so thank you. Now, let's talk about lemons. Well, not lemons per se, but, here's the scenario. Let's say you find a kit you like online. The listing states the kit has been modified, and the photos depict that somewhat. When you get the kit in the mail, it's complete, but you realize that it's modified well beyond your expectations. You only paid $10 for the kit and $10 for shipping. What do you do next? Do you A, contact the seller, cry about the kit, and beg for a refund, then spend $10 to ship it back? Do you B, chalk it up to lessons learned when buying a modified kit online and just throw the kit in the trash? Or do you C, realize that when life gives you lemons, you should think outside the box you put yourself in and learn how to make lemonade? There's no going back. You're spending $20 no matter what. Do you keep the kit or do you send it back? I made my choice. What choice do you make? Let me know in the comments below.